Hello everyone. Previously we saw how to build a simple interest calculator. So today we'll be building simple currency converter, right? Let's start. I'll just come here. Let me right click and hover on new and click on Java class. I'll just give currency converter and I'll just hit the enter. So next what I'll do, I'll just define the main method as usual. Just give public static void main. Sorry, this will be string and args, right? Next, let's create a scanner object for the user input. How we'll do that? Let me give scanner. You can see automatically scanner got imported from the Java util package, right? What we are doing? Nothing but we are importing the scanner class for the user input from the Java util package. I'll just give here scanner new scanner. So this has to be capital S, sorry. Okay. I'll just use system.in. So this is one thing. Next, let's prompt the user to choose currency conversion type. I'll just comment this one and write for the reference. Prompt user to choose currency conversion type. So this is one thing. What we'll do here, I'll just give and just make use of is out. Let me give choose currency conversion type, right? So here, yeah, let me copy same thing, entire line, and let me paste this one just below 3 times, right? So just remove this here. First one, I'll give USD to euros, or I'll just give EUR. And the second one, I'll just change this one to euros to USD. So next, here, let me give enter choice 1 or let me close this one as well. So yeah, this is it. Next, let's read the user's choice. So I'll just take the variable name choice and I'll give scanner dot next int. So I just want to make use of next int, right? So what we have done in the last line, we are just reading the user's choice. Next, let's call the variable amount as well as, sorry, this has to be double. Amount as well as converted amount. Right? Next, let's define the conversion rate from USD to euros. How can we do that? I'll just make use of final keyword. Let me give double USD to euros. Just give rate. Just give 0.85. So what we are doing here, we have we have defined the conversion rate from USD to euros. Next, let's define the conversion rate from euros to USD as well. I'll just copy the same thing, entire line. Let me paste it over here. Final double, this one I'll just make this one to here. Euros to USD rate, right? So this one has to be 1.18. Yeah. Next, this looks good. Next, let's perform the conversion based on the user choice. For this, let's make use of the switch. I'll just give switch of choice case 1. I'll just give s out. Initially, let's print enter amount in USD. If someone had chose 1, right, then initially we'll choose this one. So what is wrong here? Enter amount in USD. Just give me a second. What is wrong here? Statement must be the standard output string. The output string is already open and ready to accept the output data. What did I do wrong here? This one, right? Here I didn't leave the space, I think. Yeah. This is fine. Next, let's read the amount in USD. So I'll just give amount. Let's make use of the scanner. Okay. Next, double. As we are considered this one in double, right? So next double. What we are doing here, we are reading the amount in USD. Next, let's convert from USD to euros by making use of the formula, right? So I'll just give converted amount equals amount into USD to euros rate, this one. And after that, let's print amount in euros. The result, right? We are printing like this. Let's concatenate converted amount along with the string. Finally, let's give take. This is it. I'll just copy the same thing for case 2. I'll just come here. Let me copy this one. Let me paste it over here. Instead of case 1, I'll just make this one 2. Instead of USD, let me give euros. This will be same. Converted amount, this one amount into this one we have to change, right? I'll just give euros to USD rate instead of USD to euro, right? Next, what we'll do, so here what we have done in this line is we are reading the amount in euros, right? That's what we are doing. Next here, we are converting the euros from euros to USD, the currency. Finally, let me give amount in this one. We are converting to USD, right? Amount in USD plus, and we are concatenating the converted amount. So this is fine. This looks good. Finally, if we chose the wrong this thing, right? Then let's print invalid choice. If we had chosen, the wrong this one choice, then we'll be printing invalid choice by default. So that's what we are doing. In simple words, we are handling this one, invalid choice, basically. Finally, let's close the scanner object as well. For that one, I'll just make use of scanner dot close, this one. So I'll just check once. This looks good. Let's run the code, right? Let's wait for some time. So here we are getting choose currency conversion type, USD to euros and euros to USD. let me choose 1. Enter amount in USD. Let me give 70 and hit enter. So amount in euros we are getting 59.5. This is working correctly, right? Let's run the code again. Let's check with the second option, right? So by default, if we give the this one wrong choice, then we'll get this one, right? Invalid choice. Let's check that one as well. Let me give 3 and hit enter. It is giving us invalid choice. Also, let me run the code again. This time, let me choose 2, right? Let's check. We give 2. Enter amount in euros. I'll just give 59.6. So, it is giving me amount in USD 70, right? 70.328. So, this is working absolutely fine. So, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.